Painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. Yes, number 2. This girl traveled back yesterday from Florida to her mountains in Asheville, and I couldn't be happier. 74 degrees, not a cloud in the sky. All the trees are blooming. The mountains are smelling crisp and fresh, and I am a happy, happy girl. I'm also a happy girl because I got a special box in the mail. I got a special box from Fluid Art Co. And something exciting is happening, guys. There are going to be 8 new pigments, 8 new This Little Piggies are coming out, and they will be released for sale on June the 25th or June the 26th, depending on where you are in the world. You can purchase them at Fluid Art Co. And I will post the link to Fluid Art Co. in the description box, because that's where I get my This Little Piggies, my TLP pigments, as well as my Josanya varnish, which I disperse the pigments with, and my stir stick, and my wooden rounds, and my silicone mats that I do my varnishing on. It's a great company. They're quick. They're wonderful people that run it, and if you ever have any issues or questions about anything, they're there for you. So I'm crazy about Fluid Art Co. Now, there's a bunch of us who got these new pigments in the mail, a bunch of fellow artists and friends of mine, and I'm going to use one of their new pigments. I'm going to introduce it to you. I'm going to open this box. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you what's in it because it's a surprise, but I am going to pull out the top pigment, which is the one that I am going to be using today. Let's take a quick look. Oh my goodness. Oh, you know what? I'm going to show you a quick peek. Real quick. That's all you get, guys. There's some beautiful colors in here. And my color to try out and to premiere to you all is absolutely lovely. It's called Hammerhead, and I don't know if you can see that blue silver shimmer, but I am very, very excited about this. Thank you, TLP. Thank you, Fluid Art Co. Guys, we're going to go ahead and mix up a beautiful pigment, mix up a few other colors, and we're going to paint on this 16 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. I'm glad you're here, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's make something pretty.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Be with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.